ilitoa statement on LGBTQ Supreme Court ruling on October 6, 2023. The country was jolted after 3 judges of Supreme Court in a majority decision ruled that homosexuality have a right of association. For Kenyans, like other African countries, whose traditions, cultures, religious tradition, abhor and consider homosexuality as an evil, unnatural, ungodly, it has come as a big shock to their conscience. A vast majority of Kenyans are aggrieved by the deceptive ruling of the Supreme Court of Kenya in petition number 16 of 2019. The perverse outcome of this jurisdictional misinterpretation aims at legalizing lesbian, gays and other natural sexual practices through the back door. A court that twists and bends the law to bury what is plain as daylight is a forum of injustice, a threat to liberty, an enemy of Constitution. The Supreme Court misinterpretation of the Constitution is a tantamount to subverting the will of the people of Kenya and amounts to indefensible dereliction of duty. During the formulation of the 2010 Constitution, a vast majority of Kenyans made it clear that homosexuality relationship will remain illegal. Yes. And the permitted relationships are only between male and female. It therefore comes as a big shocker to Kenyans that the 3 judges, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu, Justice Shoki Kidomo, and Justice Mocking Wanjala choose to ignore the constitutional provisions and made a decision that go against clear constitution principles and will not doubt have a negative impact on social fabric of this nation. More so, provisions of the penal code are clear that it is criminal to engage in homosexual activities. Yes. And those found guilty are liable to jail of up to 14 years. Yes. This begs the question, can the same judge also allow those promoting criminal activities as Mugiki gangs, Al-Shabaab terrorists, or robbers who want to form the organization to be registered and recognized? The answer definitely is a big no! No! We are cognizant of the crucial underpinning principle protecting the justice and judiciary in general under the Article 106 of 1 of the Constitution, which provides that in the existence of judicial authority, the judiciary shall be subject to the only Constitution and the law, and shall be not subject to the control, direction of any person or authority. However, and more sacrosanct, Article 159 of 1 of the Constitution provides that judicial authority derives from the people. And in interpretation, the Constitution and other laws, the judiciary must be guided by Article 10 of 1, A and B of the Constitution, which provides that national values and principles bind state organs and officers and public bodies and persons.
Okay, the judgment by the 3 judges will open up a Pandora's box that will gradually erode the country's moral culture and social fabric in a country that acknowledges God in its constitution. Moreover, the lesbian and gay lifestyle has been proven to have extremely adverse health and social outcomes. For the vast majority of Kenyans, the ruling is uncouth, illegal, unacceptable and only serves the interests of a few people who are promoting a foreign-inspired agenda which aims at undermining African traditions held dearly by the vast majority of the population. It is sad to note that the judiciary is now aiding and abating the moral decay of the country, taking Kenya to the path of Sodom and Gomorrah. The decision of the judges was a clear contempt of the Constitution, violated the country's cultural and religious traditions, and betrayed the will of Kenyans. The only honorable thing the people of Kenya want from the dishonorable judges is to gracefully relinquish their positions and resign. Hello, Philomena Mwilu must go. Smoking Wanjala must go. Failure to resign is the exercise of the power of the people of Kenya as espoused under the Constitution of Kenya. We will embark on a process for the removal from office. Yes. We do also call upon the head of state, His Excellency President William Ruto, to come out strongly against LGBTQ legislation and assure the nation that his government will stand to protect at all costs the inalienable religious, cultural and traditional values held dear by Kenyans. We call upon Kenyans to be vigilant and resist all efforts to push for the gradual discrimination of homosexual activities in this country. We are aware of backdoor plans under the guise of sexual health, reproductive rights, and the comprehensive sex education initiative to gradually legalize LGBTQ activities.
Oya, msingia wote. Oya, usisukume. Msingia wote.
Haya, sikiza.
Mwezi ongea nyi wote mtulie.
Tunasema hivi, tabia za LGBTQ ni tabia